In this video, I'm going to review a data analyst resume submitted by one of our newsletter subscribers, Alif. First thing first, let's take a look at the overview of this resume. You must know that when a HR look at your resume, they don't read, they scan. They look for keywords and red flags. If they can't find what they want or saw some red flags in your resume, they will chuck your resume in the bin straight away. Overall, this resume looks neat and professional. So let's move on to the summary section. Alif wrote junior data scientist here, which I don't think is a good idea. It's hard to differentiate between a junior and a senior data scientist, and the seniority in each company is so different. So I suggest just put data scientist. This way, you can apply for any positions and let the company decide whether you are a junior or a senior. Also, let's look at the summary here. A summary is to help the readers to understand more about you. It should highlight your skills, achievements, or any other unique qualities that make you stand out from the other candidates. If it's too lengthy for the busy HR to read and make sense out of it, then it's not doing its job. So, how do we know that it's too hard to read? We can put the resume inside an app called the Hemingwayapp and see how hard it is to read. So for this one, wow, grade 14. So it's way too hard for most people to read or even have the patience to finish it. I'll suggest aim for somewhere between grade 6 to grade 8, that's the sweet spot. Next up, let's look at the skills section. Another tip when writing resume is don't undersell. These are not general skills, those are special data skills that not everybody has. So I'll suggest call it data science skills, and I think the list is a bit too long. So I will break it down into data science skills and machine learning skills like this. Let's move on to the technical skills section. While it's good to put down all the skills that you know, but sometimes less is more. So let's tidy up the technical skills sections. How do we do that? We only want to list the skills that are unique and add value to our job applications. So I probably won't put Excel and Windows here since they are common and most people already know it. And some of these skills are overlapping, like Python and R. We just need to choose one of it and either put the one that the job description is asking or the one that you are more familiar. For the same reason, we just need to pick one between Tableau and Power BI and between MongoDB and Cassandra. Next, let's look at the work experience and past project section. Now to me, past projects are more interesting than work experience because it shows your capability to solve a problem and how your achievements deliver results for the organization. And one common mistake when people write their past project section is they're boring. They wrote things like design a sales dashboard, work with the engineering team to improve productions. So don't be that person. Instead, we want to talk about our successes, your achievements, and how you solve problems using your knowledge and skills, and write tangible outcomes that people can relate to. For example, reduce processing time from 12 days to 3 days, increase model accuracy from 60% to 85%. Overall, this is a well-written and well-formatted resume, and all we need is a little bit of touch-up, and it should be able to catch the HR attentions. And always remember, the resume only serves one purpose. You want to tell the HR that you are the best candidate for the job. So if you're thinking to transition to a data science job, send me a resume using the link below and I'll help you to review. Or sign up for our newsletter to receive practical tips and tutorials like this on how to get a data science job. Thank you and see you in the next video.